might not be the Gear S4, but Samsung has a new smartwatch on show at IFA 2017. With the Galaxy Note 8 arriving at Unpacked already, it's all about wearables now, so here's our Samsung Gear Sport hands-on review. Back in September at IFA 2017, Samsung launched the Gear Sport alongside some other new wearable tech. They are the Gear Fit 2 Pro, a GPS fitness band, and the Icon X wireless earbuds. The Gear Sport is more like a new version of the Gear S2 rather than a replacement for the Gear S3. The Gear Sport costs £299 in the UK. That's cheaper than the Apple Watch Series 3 and matches the excellent Huawei iWatch 2. It's cheaper than the Gear S3 Frontier and matches the Fitbit Ionic. Samsung-owned Gear Fit 2 Pro is cheaper, but we're not so impressed with it compared to the Gear Sport. It's no surprise that Samsung hasn't changed the design of the Gear Sport much when compared to previous devices. The smartwatch is available in black or blue colors, and the firm says it offers military-level durability. We're not quite sure it's that durable, but the device is solid and we like the look of both colors. The blue option is quite a subtle ink-like tone rather than a bright hue. This is a good thing for us. With sport in the name, it's aimed at fitness, and with a 50-meter waterproof rating is particularly good for all you swimmers out there.